Good morning, everyone. I'm on my way to get a hot chocolate because it's cold outside. I don't know how cold it is, but it's cold. Probably 40, 30, I don't know. I'll have to find out. But it's a cold day and I need a hot chocolate. Hey guys, I haven't really talked to y'all today because I haven't really been doing anything besides working at my desk, but I just got my hair done and so yeah, I like it. She cut off a little bit. I almost ran into that lady, so I had to stop. But now I'm headed over to Sephora because if you remember from last month, Yasmin was supposed to start her beauty vlog. So I'm gonna check in with her and see if she did that, if she's working today. I just checked in with them, at them being Sephora people, and Yasmin is not working today, so I can't verify whether or not she did or did not start. Bree was working, but Bree was with a client, so I really couldn't interrupt her and go, hey, did you start your vlog? But hey, Yasmin and Bree, if you're watching this, because hopefully you subscribed, if you're watching this, did you start your vlog? Because you need to let me know so I can be a subscriber too. Because support a community over competition, even though I don't have a beauty blog. But I guess I could start one now that I've got my hair done. You know how when you absolutely need nothing, but you still want to look? That's me today, but I've got lots of stuff to do, so I've got to go. But see, that's kind of cute. Is this kind of grandma-ish? Probably. Okay, so I didn't tell you guys, but I'm at I'm at Office Depot. I'm at Office Max. I'm not even at Office Depot. I'm at Office Max and I was browsing through the store. I came to get these Avery labels because my mom is sending out pictures in her Christmas cards. And anyway, she needs me to put the labels on the back that says everybody's name. So that's what I came to get. But while I was browsing, because I can't help myself and I got to browse and look at everything else, I found these pencils. Look at these little baby pencils. I absolutely do not need, I don't need these, but I want them. Okay, back to the rest of the stuff I need to do. Okay, I don't need this, but it's soft and super cute, and it comes in pink, and it's only $4. I'm done. I've got my purchases. I did purchase this magnetic bookmark holder. YouTube! So I did purchase this magnetic page holder thing, and it was totally didn't need, but it was on clearance, so I was gonna say it's on sale, but it's on clearance, which is even better. So I'll use that for my calendar. And now I'm gonna go meet Marvin for quick dinner, and then I'm gonna go meet some ladies from church to decorate the front window, and then I'm gonna go home and work. I'm at Martina's restaurant. Marvin has a meeting here tonight, so I'm gonna meet him for a quick dinner, and then I'm gonna go help the ladies from the church decorate the windows because it's the Christmas season. Not really, but they're gonna have a contest for who has the best decorated window on the square, and we wanna win, so. Now I'm at the church to do window decorating. Kate is hanging up our snowflake creations that we've made, and Stasha is documenting the action. Hey y'all, it is late. It's 11 o'clock and I need to end the vlog. I'm just waiting on some laundry to finish up, and so today wasn't really a very exciting day. Well, I mean, I had fun. Today I went to work and just did regular work stuff, and then I left about 2 o'clock or so, maybe it was like 2:15. I can't remember. But anyway, I had to go home, or came home, dropped off my laptop and stuff, and I checked on Wolf and I checked on Captain. I made sure they were doing okay and seeing if they needed any food or anything like that. And then I went to JCPenney in Style Salon and got my hair, I got my hair colored and then washed and then cut and then blow dried, and This is how it looks now, and I liked it. And I got almost an inch cut off, which you probably, you know, you could look at it and go, it doesn't even look like you cut anything. But I did. She cut an inch off. So, and then after that, what did I do after that? Oh, I met Marvin at Martina's restaurant, which you saw. I went to Martina's, and I just had the beef fajitas and some guacamole because I'm trying to do the low carb thing. And then I went to Corner Theater and started to help decorate windows. But you know what we did? We actually were making like paper snowflakes. And like, you know how you used to do in school? And we were struggling. We were like watching YouTube videos. We were looking at tutorials. We printed out some patterns to follow. I was like, really, making these paper snowflakes should not be that hard. But it was the struggle. Hashtag the struggle was real. So, and then I was talking to Daniel because there's a concert Friday night and a concert Saturday night. So we're just talking about musical stuff, and I mentioned my favorite band, Castro, and because they're coming out with a new album. So I was like, had to mention that. And then what else happened? That's about it. Then I came home, and I didn't get home until like 9 or something. And so then I started catching up on work, and now I'm doing laundry, waiting for the last load to dry before I go to bed. So I'm catching up on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and stuff like that. So thanks for joining me today. And if it was short and kind of boring, sorry. But I had a good day. I had a really good day. And tomorrow, what's happening tomorrow? Anything? Anyone? Tomorrow is the 15th. Oh, I've got a house closing tomorrow. What? Have a house closing tomorrow, and then as soon as I get back into town, I've got to run over to Windsor Florist because they're having their Christmas kickoff holiday thing. They're having a toy drive and a food drive. So we're taking some food, canned goods tomorrow. Benefits Sharing Life, that's the same place that Marvin works. But so gonna drop by a donation to them. Oh my eyes, do you see how bad my eyes are watering? It looks like I'm like gonna cry, but I'm not. So we're gonna drop off that and shop a little bit because she always has like cute Christmas stuff in there at Christmas time. So we're gonna check out, and I'll probably buy something, especially if it has snowmen on it because I love snowmen. And then, yeah, that's all I have tomorrow. There's a concert Friday night, there's a concert Saturday. Oh, and Tango Tap Saturday morning, gotta do that. And then there's the Captain. Hey, Captain. Hey, what are you saying? He's still not very happy with Wolf being here. So if you have any suggestions on how your cats to get along, let me know in the comments below, because he's not happy with her yet. So anyway, we got a busy weekend, and then of course next week is on Sunday. I've got something to do at church, sit and sip at church. We have church, then we have my side of the family's Thanksgiving. And then Thanksgiving and one of our granddaughter's birthdays, son-in-law's birthday, small business Saturday's coming up, lots of stuff coming up. So I've got to get all my stuff together. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right now, and I hope that you have a great night. And don't forget, go in peace, go in kindness, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.